Hey, are you getting dressed?
Yes, I am.
Why? What time is it?
It's 7:45. I'm going to work.
But it's Saturday.
I'm working on Saturday mornings this month. Are you getting up?
No, I'm not. I'm staying in bed.
Okay. See you at noon.
If I'm awake.
Did you hear about the robbery the other day?
No. What happened?
Well, this couple was walking to the mailbox on the corner when a thief stopped them.
Oh, no.
Yes! They didn't have any money with them, so the thief was going to make them get money out of the cash machine across the street. But just as they were crossing the street, the police drove by.
What happened then?
The robber panicked when he saw the police, so he ran off.
He didn't escape, did he?
Unfortunately, he did. I hope he gets caught soon.
Me too.
Were you born in the U.S., Melissa?
No, I wasn't. I came here in 1992.
How old were you?
I was 17.
So did you go to college right away?
No, because my English wasn't very good. I studied English for 2 years first.
Wow, your English is really fluent now.
Thanks. Your English is pretty good, too.
Yeah, but I was born here.
How about you, Chuck? Where did you grow up?
Well, I was born in Ohio, but I grew up in Texas.
And when did you come to Los Angeles?
In 1978, I went to college here.
Oh, what was your major?
Drama. I was an actor for 5 years after college.
That's interesting. So why did you become a hairdresser?
Because I needed the money, and because I was good at it. Look, what do you think?